All right, here she is, self-proclaimed Queen of Canada. I don't know if we should have a royal anthem playing, but dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we missed the song, I guess. Oh my God! Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. All hail the new Queen of Canada. Have you met the Queen? Has anyone met the Queen?
Oh, where is she? Which one?
All hail. Well, the authorities are here for security for the new Queen.
Some RVs.
Yeah, yeah. And remember, none of this really happened. This damage is just in our minds. It is. It's a red flag event.
I really like the RV though.
Oh, it's a beautiful RV.
They've done nothing to me. But what they do is they're robbing from people. They're robbing from people.
Oh, here she is.
You know the type. I'm sure you know the type. You want me to say that.
This is their queen.
It's what they do. It's what they've always done. Now, what they're doing is not illegal. Because I can give them as much money as I want to give them. Correct me if I'm wrong.
She is.
But if they make a profit,
There's more RVs up there.
Here is security.
So we are in number 2 right now in Glace Bay.
Number 2, Glace Bay, folks.
Queen of Canada is here.
That roof really didn't blow off.
That roof did not blow up.
And that's not gone.
It's not real. And that roof over there is still there.
This is all a red flag event. Oh, there, yes. No, that roof didn't go anywhere.
But apparently it still is.
Yeah.
There's another nice RV.
Oh, yeah, no, this is not damaged. As you can see, this roof is completely intact. And all reports of hurricane damage are false. So, coming to you live from Cape Breton and the biggest false flag event you've ever seen, Hurricane Fiona. Fear not, because it didn't really happen. And his roof is not on his lawn. Because it's a hoax, people. All be calm, it's a hoax. I'm not really standing here.
That's my friend Betty.
Yeah.
Still in Halifax.
Hello,
You take your own video.
false flag event. Come on down, number 2. Check out the damage that didn't happen, the roof that didn't come off and is not laying in the yard.